What is happiness? A famous Turkish poet requested his famous painter friend to make a painting on happiness as. So, he made a painting of a family sleeping peacefully on a creaking bed. One leg of that bed was broken and 2 bricks were placed there. The roof of that dilapidated house was also leaking. The dog of the house was also sleeping peacefully on the bed. This painting became immortal. Look deeply at this immortal painting and think what happiness really is. Actually, after seeing this picture, I feel that happiness is not the absence of problems, but in accepting the situation of trouble with ease. Try to see the good in whatever you have, no matter how bad the situation is. Stop being sad about such things which are not in your control. Whenever your heart starts sinking, look at this immortal painting. Always be satisfied and sleep peacefully. Lots of love and affection to you all.